Hey, welcome to Practicing Photography. My name is Doug Gabbert. This week's project is oil and water mixtures on a glass tabletop with a cooking pan, and I'll show you my setup. Check this out. I have a light that I use to color the bubbles. This light can change colors, I can adjust it. I have my GoPro sitting right here so that I can do a video and share that with you. My camera is on a tripod. The settings on the camera are ISO 400, shutter speed 200, aperture at 2.5. I have an intervalometer, so it takes a picture every 5 seconds. This is just a cooking tray with water and oil, sitting on a coffee table that has a glass bottom. It's on the floor. I will have the light underneath for my photos. And a very, very high-tech part of this is my paper towels, not for cleanup, but to put over the light to give it a diffused look when it comes up, so it's not just a bright square in the photo. That's about it. So let's get on to the video and let me show you what I made. I'm doing this indoors today because this week is very, very hot and I'm not doing any photo tours this week. So, my last video I did soap bubbles, and one of the feedbacks I got is I didn't have enough of my photos and they were looking forward to the photos, so I promise, if you stick with me, I'll give you a lot of photos. I'll give you some throughout. I'll give you some video footage of the bubbles being made. And what I'm going to do here is stir up the bubbles. My camera's taking a picture every 5 seconds. And we'll get some really cool shots. Stir my bubbles up. So hopefully you're enjoying some of these pictures. Wow, this is cool. I set it to 6,500 Kelvin on my light. And they almost look like they're black and white. Isn't this cool? Getting vigorous with the bubbles. Well, that's it, guys. That's the end of this week's photo shoot. This was oil and water mix in a simple cake pan on top of a glass tabletop with lights underneath. I used a tripod to hold my camera still. Remember at the beginning of the video I asked you to tell me which photo you liked the best, so make sure you put a comment down below which one you like the best. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button as well, and I will see you next week. This is Doug Gabbert for Practicing Photography, getting better one photo at a time. You have a great day.